Hello, my name is Shivam Ganji. I am from Ravensbourne University, MSc Project Management. Today's my topic is the on-demand mobile fitness coaches revolutionizing personalized training anytime and anywhere. So let's move the next slide. So first of all, we talk about the industry background and problem definition. So first of all, global lifestyle changes and secondary for the routines have increased the health risk and reduced physical activity for the activity levels worldwide. Second one is the I recognize that modern lifestyles is secondary contributing to rising health risk and physical activity. So traditional gym based fitness models are often flexible, expensive, and unnecessary for many individuals. So I also observed growing pressure on the fitness sector on the provider prevention of the growing markets on the personalized health solutions. So it's a gap between the highlights the lack of scrambles and a real-time fitness coaching solution, so which is directly connected to support the relevance of an on-demand mobile fitness coaching platform. So let's move to next slide. First of all, the next slide is the market opportunity and industry trends. So, in industry trends and market opportunity, health and wellness have become strategic priorities due to rising lifestyle relativities, and also the governments and organizations move to the deserve the flexibility lifestyles have increasingly demand, and also a demand for the home-based and mobile fitness like and solution for the fitness brands are also seeking differentiation throughout the digital engagements and personalized services. So these trends are indicate a clear shift towards technology enables also that's aligned the will involving the consumer expectations. So let's move to next slide. Next slide is the innovation types business concepts on demand mobile fitness coaching. So first of all, the platform delivers a real-time access to certified fitness coaches throughout mobile applications. Second one is the AI-driven system, personalized workouts based on user goals, fitness levels, and also availability of the consumers. So the platform integrates live video coaching, also innovations and availability the consumers and progress tracking and update to recommendations. And I ensure that the services is the flexible and user friendly, allowing workouts anytime and anywhere. Overall, this concept combines the health improvements, digital innovations, and the flexibility of the accessible fitness solution. So let's move to next slide. Next slide is the entrepreneurial opportunity for the recognitions. So first of all, in this slide, the slide explain how I recognize the entrepreneurial opportunity. I observe the widespread inconsistency in the fitness participations caused by the rigid schedules and the lack of the motivation. So caused by the rigid schedules and entrepreneurial thinking, I reframe the fitness access as a digital serve rather then the location-based activity, the then market research confirming increasingly demand for the personalized technology for the outcomes with affordability. So the opportunity recognition and used to solve real-world problems like the create meaningful value and also the base and the digital health sectors. So let's move to next slide. Next slide is the business model and the strategic approach. The platform operates using a subscription based and section based services model. Revenue is generated through monthly plans and pay per person and pay per session like coaching options. Also, users are charged based on coaching frequency and service levels. Strategic partnerships include certified trainers, also wearable technology providers, and cloud platforms. So, next is the model supports scalability of the long-term users retentions. So, next move to next slides. So, next slides is the entrepreneur reflection and strategic learning. So in the slides, I reflect on my entrepreneurial learning exercise for the developing the concepts required balancing personalizations with scalable digital delivery. Also, the one of the key challenges I focus in this. So it's app based through creative problems in solving. So I adopted a hybrid approach, combine AI and human coaching. This process enhanced my adaptability and decision making, and also the opportunity evaluation skills are the best overall the expectation and my entrepreneurial mindset by determinations and how innovations reflections and determination for to contribute to building viable digital business solutions. So let's move to next slide. So in these slides, ideation to implementation roadmap. So first of all, the roadmap is the initial ideation focused on sustainable materials and life cycle durability. Second one is the prototype development, tested strength usually and tracking functionality. So I tested the discussion, the pilot tricks and selected e-commerce partners. I highlighted the feedbacks and also the reform by the system operations and optimizations. For the I conclude with this plans for a scalable development following successful validations. Also, these structures and progressions demonstrations how an abstract idea becomes an operational solutions. So let's move to next slide. Next slide is the feasibility and commercial viability. So in this slides, I discuss feasibility and commercial visibility. I observed the technical feasibility by considering the existing and mobile AI and video streaming technologies, which significantly reduce development risk, market feasibility. It's supported by the increasing health awareness and also the fitness solutions. So operational feasibility is achieved by just two feasibility benefits from recurring to compared the analysis confirms so that the platform has strong commercial potentials and the stability for the feasibility and commercial viability. So let's move to next slide. Next slide is the risk analysis and mitigation. So here I assess the potential risk and explain mitigation strategies like I discussed adoption risk and how pilot perspectives and throughout the subscription pricing stability. I discussed the behavior risk and increasing design the practice work and the risk planning demonstrate strategic for it, and by identify this managing underlined I strengthen venue credibility. This slides support to L3 by showing analytical depths and perpetrators. So let's move to next slide. Next slide is the stakeholder value creation. So the slide highlighted the value of the stakeholders and creation for key stakeholders. Users benefit from flexible, personalized and affordable fitness coaching tailored to the lifestyles, fitness coaching and the rich and new incomes outcomes for the platforms for the stakeholders and digital health venture with long-term growth potential society with this preservative and fitness practices. So this is our stakeholder value creation. So let's move to next slide. So cost structure and financial planning. In this final slide, I explain the cost structure and the financial plannings. Initial costs include app development, platform design, and onboarding certified coaches. So ongoing about to the digital outreach and wellness focused brand like focus around processing and infrastructure and operations. So first of all, financial planning supports to sustainable growth, profitability, and relevant less, ensuring the platform remains the same and the competitive while delivering long-term value to users and stakeholders. Let's move to next slide. Funding and requirements. So in this slide, I discuss funding requirements and sustainable for the scale prototypes and pilots. So I evaluate the green innovation grants and impact investors. So I justify impact investors and alignment with the sustainability objectives. So I explain how it demonstrates logical responses and evidence like based decision making by aligning funding sourcing with venture purpose and growth stage. So let's move to next slide. Conclusion and perfusion pitch. So, conclusion, the venture address a critical sustainability challenges in a commerce. The venture combines innovation, environmental responsibility, and profitability for the sustainability integration. And I conclude by the presenting this business as a future-ready solution slide and aligned by the presenting these businesses, and also this final pitch references achievement of all learning outcomes. So here I finish my presentation. So thank you so much.